back and she's just cute as a button, and I love her food. She's making us a sweet dessert, and that's what we're doing.
Thank you for narrating for me. I love this narration. Anything else to say? How do you like the bolognese?
Bolognese is very good.
Give it an honest rating, 1 out of 10.
Honest rating 1 out of 10. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
No, be serious.
And I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. And make sure you follow, like, and subscribe.
I'm being serious. I don't know if you like it that much.
I really don't like it that much. I'm sorry. I like it too.
Alright.
It smells good in here.
This is my pie that I made, and I don't really think Brandon's gonna like it because he said he's never had apple pie that he likes. But I made him apple pie. But I made apple pie anyway. And he's gonna eat it and he's gonna love it. So that's what I made. I'll link the recipe.
Very excited for the Kiki pie.
Yeah, and then I also have ice cream, so. Oh, it's giving apple.
It's an apple pie. My very first apple pie.
I really don't think you're gonna like it. Here's mine.
There we go.
With the ice cream. Cheers.
What?
I don't think you like it.
It's really not bad.
It's really not bad. Oh, no.
He said it was the yummiest thing she's ever had.
Well, this is the thing. I love apple cobbler, and I love apple pie, and I love the flavor of like the sweet cinnamon. But I used to not, and I feel like it's a really specific flavor. Like if you're not into a cinnamony, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of like a cider almost. It's not for you.
Yeah.
And I've never seen you eat anything like that or try anything like that. So that's why I was like, I don't know if this is gonna really be your vibe, but it is mine. So even if you don't like it, I like it.
I give it like a 6.
Not bad.
Yeah, because it's tasty. I like it. It's nice and sweet. I like sweets. We're making desserts, sweet girl.
You're welcome. It's a pie girl.
Kiwi Crocker. It was really good, baby. I liked it a lot. It's really not my kind of thing, and it was good. Really sweet, and I liked it. Ice cream with turk on top. You did a really good job.
Thank you.
I'm really thankful you made that. It was super yummy. Those.
Hi guys, I guess this is my first real intro into this video, but it is Monday and I'm having a very great work day today. I woke up at 7:30 and I've been working from 7:30 until it is, what time is it? 2 p.m. now. So now I just took a little lunch break. I ate a sandwich that Brandon made me and I'm about to do my makeup. I have a haul from a couple of things, just a few things that I bought at the mall the other day. And I wanted to record it and post it on TikTok, but I wanted to do my makeup first. So I'm gonna do my makeup really quickly, but I wanted to give an intro and just say hi, because I realized I haven't really given an intro into this video, but I had such a great weekend this past weekend and I feel like it's starting out my Monday on a really good note. I went shopping this past weekend. And I'll give you guys a haul too. I was gonna just do it on TikTok, but I'll show you guys too a couple of the items that I got. But it was so fun because I haven't gone to the mall and shopped and tried on clothes in so long. Maybe I've gone by myself in the past couple of years, but going with my girlfriends and just coming out of the dressing room and being do you like this top, do you like this, I don't know, it was giving one of those early 2000s montages, you know, when they're all going into changing rooms and coming out and trying all their stuff on. I don't know, that was the vibe of it and it was just so cute. So I did that this weekend and I got a couple things that I really like. And next week I'm going to New York, so I'm trying to plan out my outfits for next week. I actually need to place an order on Revolve and pick up a couple items because they ship really quickly and I just need like a few new tops. I'm having so much fun like celebrating fall this early. It's been so cute, even though I made apple pie that Brandon didn't like. Actually, it's not that he didn't like it. You guys heard him. It's just like not his vibe. But I just wanted to make an apple pie because I wanted to make something that was like fall and something I hadn't made in so long. And I haven't made that pie recipe in years. I'll put the recipes in the description of this video in case you guys want to recreate it. I think it's such a good like apple pie. It's very like apple crumble vibe. I think it's so good. And then I made the bolognese for dinner. I'm just having fun celebrating fall. Also, look how cute my shirt is. It's Criminal Minds. It's so cute. Anyway, I am going to finish my makeup and then I'll give you guys a haul. Here's the first part of the haul. I got this little sweater. Both of these items are from Aritzia and I'll link them down below. But I got this little cardigan. I didn't have a black like small cardigan like this that I could either layer over like a crop or just like button it all the way up. I don't know, I just really needed one, especially for fall. But these pants are like the highlight of this haul, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. They are corduroy. I'm wearing my slippers, ignore that. But they're corduroy pants and they look a little like navy, but they're mainly black. I don't know if you guys can like tell, but they're black jean style pants that are corduroy and they're so freaking cute, you guys. They're straight leg and they're really baggy and I just like that they're like mid-rise pants. I think they're so freaking cute. I just feel like I love like this fabric, this corduroy and stuff, and the look of these for fall. I'll be able to wear these a lot and I really wanted to wear these in New York next week when I go. So I got these. And then I got this top, which I'm not trying on because I'm gonna get makeup all over it because it's basically a turtleneck or it's like high neck and it's white, but it's from Free People and it's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with this. I'm also gonna probably wear this in New York. It looks a lot longer, I feel like, than it is on person. Like the fabric kind of like bunches up, but I think this will be so cute with like a little denim skirt, a jacket over top. Like this is a really good fall layering piece and it has little thumb holes, which I think is so cute. And then I also got a candle because I couldn't go in Anthropologie without getting a candle, so I got this one. Oh my god, I really got it because it looks like a pumpkin, like with the little lid on it and everything. I mean, how cute is that? It looks like a pumpkin. And they had a huge, massive one, but I didn't get that one. But this one is so cute. It's pumpkin clove is the scent. And then I picked up 3 more books because I'm not well, but they were necessary if I'm being honest. So this book came out this month and I've been dying to read it. It's a third in a series right now. So this one is Things We Left Behind and it's so good. The first 2 books were incredible and I've heard really good things about this one, so I went and picked it up because it was like the book that I was looking forward to the most this month. Then I got King of Pride, which is a second book in a series, which I'm really liking this one. I already have a bunch of tabs in it because I did start reading it yesterday and I'm almost done, so I'm trying to slow down because I'm not well. And then I picked up this. This is The Cruel Prince, and it's a fantasy book. And it is, I don't know, I see it all over, and people always tell me to read it. So those are the 3 that I picked up, and that's everything that I got when I went shopping. But I'm happy with my purchases. I think these are so cute, like this little jacket, or this little cardigan, and my little pants. I think it's really cute. So now it's like 2:45. I'm gonna film a couple TikToks, and then I'm gonna get back to editing and preparing for a Twin Flames photo shoot that we have this week. It is 6:40 and I'm done working and I've got 2 packages in the mail. So we are going to unbox them together. The first one is from Rare Beauty. I'm so excited. Oh, it's their 3-year anniversary. How cute. What is this? I've got a little bag. They always have the cutest little bags. Let's see what we've got. We've got a liquid blush. the Huge. This is their matte eyeliner, and we also have their volumizing mascara, and then I think this is lips. Yep, this is the matte lip. All amazing products. Oh my god, and look at this. They sent a mini calendar. Look how cute, you guys. It's a little calendar, and I think it's affirmations. Yeah, okay, so January. Okay, so it's like the affirmation of the week. So it's one per week. Ours this week is I will get back up every time I fall. How cute. Gorgeous. Thank you, Rare Beauty. That was so cute. This package is from Alani Nutrition. And if this is the drink that I think it is, I'm so excited. Yes. Oh my god. I am obsessed with this flavor. This is the only Alani Nutrition flavor or product I have ever tried in my life. And they reached out for gifting, and I was like, you know what? Let's say yes, because last October, I was at Target and I randomly bought one of these, and they're so good. This is the Witch's Brew flavor, which is why I really wanted it, because it's like a seasonal flavor that they do, and it's caramel apple. I am a sucker for anything that's caramel apple flavored. I love it for fall, like all those like caramel apple lollipops, anything that's like that. I just think it's the best. But these are energy drinks, I think. Yeah, they're energy drinks, but they're so good. Especially for me, like I love a good energy drink. That's why I always have yerbas. You guys know I drink like a yerba a day. It's because I love them, but also they have so much caffeine in them. So whenever I have to go out or I need to wake up or I'm going out with friends, obviously I don't drink. So like I just always have an energy drink or a yerba with me. These are so good. Thank you, Alani. I'm so excited about these. I'm feeling lazy tonight, so tonight we're gonna have a oven pizza, and that's what we're gonna eat. And I'm gonna read my book and be cozy. But those are the packages that I got today. Also, I just put a new lip product on. You guys can probably tell because earlier I didn't have this dark of a lip on, and I really like it. Let me go get what it is. It's this. It's from Buxom. It is the full-on plumping lip matte in the shade Cranberry Smash, and it looks so pretty. I lined my lips with the Rare Beauty lip liner in bold. It's like the normal lip liner that I always do. It's just a little dark, as you can see, and then I put the tiniest bit of this, and it's so pigmented. I just like dabbed it out with my fingers, and I really like it. I feel like this is such a pretty like fall fun lip. This is my everyday makeup, but I feel like it still goes with this. Like I could wear a more like bold color lip like this and it still look natural and really pretty. So I think I'm gonna start doing this. I tried this out today and I really liked the way that it looked, so.